This is a historic session heralding the advancement of the budget cycle and merger of the railway budget with the general budget for the first time in independent India. To combat the evils of black money, corruption, counterfeit currency, and terror financing, the government took the decision on 8th November 2016 to demonetize old 500 and 1000 rupee currency notes. Honorable members, my government has taken decisive steps to give a fitting reply to the repeated incursions on our territorial integrity, sovereignty. Our defense forces successfully conducted surgical strikes at several launch pads along the line of control to prevent infiltration by terrorists. Focus has been on holistic development of agriculture sector, making available affordable credit, ensuring assured supply of seeds and fertilizers, improving irrigation facilities, comprehensive risk coverage, improving productivity through soil health cards, assured market and remunerative prices for the products through ENAM. The 4-decade-old demand of one rank, one pension of our armed forces, veterans, have been fulfilled. The total financial implications would be around rupees 11,000 crores. More than rupees 6,200 crores have been released in 2 tranches, benefiting over 19.6 lakh veterans. The Rio Olympics, where we took great pride in the performance of P.V. Sindhu, Sakshi Malik, Deepa Karmakar and others, illustrates the strength of our women. 65% of our population today is below the age of 35, with the motto of Har Haat Ko Hunar. My government has taken several steps for skilling the youth and improving their employability. For the first time ever, minimum wages have been increased by 42% in both agricultural and non-agricultural sector. Implementation of the 7th Pay Commission has benefited 50 lakh employees and 35 lakh pensioners. To protect senior citizens from the impact of interest rate fluctuations, interest rate for senior citizens has been fixed at 8% payable monthly for a period of 10 years. Through the Stand Up India initiative, my government plans to empower over 2.5 lakh scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and women entrepreneurs. For promoting entrepreneurship, the National Scheduled Caste Scheduled Tribes Hub has been launched with an initial allocation of Rs 490 crores. My government is committed providing the Divyangjan equal opportunities for development, besides increasing the percentage of reservations for Divyangjan from 3 to 4% in the government jobs my government has accelerated filling up of backlog vacancies. The Northeast is the gateway to Southeast Asia. We are opening up road and rail route to our neighboring countries. My government is continuing with the special dispensation that the assistance pattern of the northeastern states and is providing assistance in the ratio of 90-10 for core central schemes and 80-20 to non-core central schemes of these states. ISRO completed the 7th satellite constellation of India, regional navigational satellite services, Navi. SRO added another feather to its cap this year by successfully launching 20 satellites in a highest ever single launch. Let us work towards a common future seated in the promise of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, that will bring to all the equality and dignity enshrined in our Constitution. Jai Hind!